Here is Lexa again, and I got some cheese. She like cheese. Sit down. Sit. Wait. Yum, 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 yum. She like cheese. There's another one. Okay, that's it. That's for your treat today. Here is Lexa, our Mennonite neighbor's dog. No, that's it. That's all. That's one cheese. It's not good for you. It's too much cheese, okay? That's for a treat. That's treat. That's we call treat. Different. It's a cheese. So you're done for your treat. Out. Hey. One more. Okay, that's it. Thanks for visiting. See you later, Lexa.